In this short video of how to become a data analyst sage with ThoughtSpot, I'd like to demonstrate how we can leverage Snowflake's AI filter function. So this is the page from Snowflake's documentation, which discusses AI filter. The AI filter can be used in three places. We can use it in a select statement to return a result. It can be used in a where clause, and it also can be used to join data. For today's example, I'm going to focus on how we could implement AI filtering in our where clause. So I'm in ThoughtSpot and I've navigated to search data. And on screen, we have a very simple answer here. So this is looking at an extract of our community ideas. And we can see a number of columns. So the important part here is this parameter, which is acting as our prompt. And we can see here the question that I've typed in, which ideas discuss time zone issues. And this is passed into Snowflake as a prompt. And then the ideas are returned where the details discuss time zones. So as a product manager, I may wish to change this. Maybe I want to have a look at identifying any of the ideas that have been raised around our moving sum or window functions. So we can apply this. This prompt is passed into Snowflake, which then evaluates the results, and we can then quickly review which specific ideas might be discussing the moving or window function. Importantly, this doesn't require the data analyst to pre-categorize ideas. As a product manager, I can just quickly ask my prompt and review the results based upon this free text analysis. So how can we set this up? What we need firstly is a parameter which can act as our input. So we just have a string parameter and a default value. And then we have a formula. So on screen, we can see the formula definition using our pass-through functions. So we're calling the underlying AI filter function, and we're also passing in a prompt. So the prompt is a concatenated string, which is the question that's being asked by the user in the parameter. And then we're also, as part of the prompt, asking Snowflake to review the text that is provided in the specified column. And the column here is idea full details. So we can see how easy this was to set up and leverage AI filter as part of our where clause. So we can see here on screen that leveraging ThoughtSpot's parameters, formulas, and specifically pass-through formulas, we're able to implement AI filtering as part of our where clause. Thank you.